All right, the next exercise we're gonna do is glute and lumbar muscle smashing with the lacrosse ball. So first, we're gonna show you the positions that we want the ball, and then we'll put Steve in the positions to do the actual smashing. So the first position is gonna be in the glutes. Think glute max, piriformis, some of those hip rotators. So that's about where the ball should be placed. And then the next exercise will be in upper glutes. So you look, it's just below the belt line. So we think about the iliac crest, the pelvis, the pelvic bone, go just below that. And then the third one we'll be doing is right along those lumbar paraspinals. So right next to the spine, not too far out to the side, not into the rib cage, but right next to the spine. Okay, so the first one, I'm gonna have Steve get into position for the glute smashing. So he's lying back, finding a tender point, and he's rocking the knee back and forth to try to rotate that hip to get a little deeper with this smash. And he's gonna do this for about 2 minutes on each side, continuing to find different tender points or different trigger points. Typically we say at least 2 minutes, or until you feel a change in the tissue, that it starts to feel like it's loosening up. Next one's gonna be the upper glutes. So he's finding that spot we showed you earlier, and he's gonna rotate that leg, find the tender points, and he's gonna find, like I said, find those tender points, and then rock that knee side to side. Spending about 2 minutes in that area too. Then he's gonna work up into the lumbar, staying in that same position. And what he can do now is do a drawing that knee in and out to get a little more depth with this one. Or he can also do a pelvic tilt, where he's rocking his pelvis back and forth, trying to flatten the spine a little and then trying to arch over that ball. So you can do that one either way, whatever's most effective for you. Okay?